Palm Harbor Homes, your home.
Many of our park models here at Palm Harbor include a loft. The loft is additional storage space or additional space, expands the usage of the park model itself.
Hey folks, just a brief interruption to let you know about our Park Model Internet Special. Included with purchase, choose either a flat screen TV, air conditioner, or dishwasher. But to be eligible, you must click on the link in the written description below this video. Make sure you check on Park Model Internet Special below this video.
Some people like to use it for storage, but the predominance of people, like grandparents, love to have the grandkids come over, throw down the air mattress, stay the night with the grandparents. It's a place where they can have a little bit of privacy themselves. It's bright, it's lit. It is the absolute perfect place for the family to come over and visit. Folks, we're having a huge promotion during the spring event. You'll see our phone number on the screen. I can tell you a lot more about it, a ton more details. Give me a call. I'll be happy to do so. Or go to us on the internet. We'll be happy to get information right out to you. Thanks, and you have a great day.
Palm Harbor Homes, your